In the dark of space, 628 million kilometers from Earth, bigger than all of Earth's oceans, combined, and NASA already knows exactly where it's hiding. This isn't science fiction, it's an official document published by the agency itself. The place is called Europa, a frozen moon of Jupiter, and also Enceladus, a tiny moon of Saturn that shouldn't have life, but it might. Beneath miles of ice, liquid water, warm, moving. And where there is liquid water, science has already learned one thing: there could be life. In the next few minutes, you will understand how NASA reached this conclusion, and why this might be the most important place in the solar system. For decades, science followed a simple rule: where there is heat from the sun, there can be life. Mercury, Venus, Mars, all close to the sun, all dry, all dead. Then, in 2005, a NASA probe pointed its camera at a tiny moon, frozen, dark, 1.4 billion kilometers away from the sun, and what it saw shouldn't exist: jets of water, erupting from the ice, into space. The temperature on Europa's surface reaches negative 160 degrees Celsius. Nothing should be liquid there. But beneath the ice, NASA scientists found evidence of an ocean. Liquid, moving, hidden. It's not a puddle. It's an ocean with more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. And if there is liquid water, warm, in contact with rock, the question changes. It is no longer, is there life on another planet? It could already be right there, beneath the ice. How does an ocean stay liquid so far from the sun? The answer isn't the sun, it's Jupiter. Jupiter's gravity is so strong that it squeezes Europa with every orbit. Squeezes, releases, squeezes again. This internal friction generates heat, the exact same principle as bending a paperclip back and forth until it gets hot. It was NASA's Galileo probe that saw the first real sign, not an image, a magnetic field. Salt water conducts electricity, and Galileo's magnetometer picked up exactly that kind of response coming from Europa. Only salt water in massive quantities could generate this signal. Not ice, not rock, water. Years later, the Cassini probe went further. It flew right through the plumes of Enceladus and found molecular hydrogen, the exact same gas that fuels life in volcanoes at the bottom of Earth's oceans. The study was published in 2017, led by Xiangwen Xu from the University of Colorado. In 2023 came the second confirmation: phosphorus, one of the 6 essential elements for life as we know it. The study, published in the journal Nature, was led by Frank Postberg from the Free University of Berlin. The concentration was 100 times higher than what is found in Earth's oceans. And in 2023, the James Webb Telescope pointed at Europa and confirmed carbon dioxide on the surface, coming from inside, from the subsurface ocean rising up through the ice. 3 proofs, 3 missions, 3 decades of data, all pointing to the same place: liquid water, chemical energy, the basic building blocks of life, all of it at the same time beneath the ice. For decades, the money for space exploration went to a single place: Mars. Billions of dollars, decades of missions, rovers, laboratories rolling over red dust, and the result to this day: no definitive sign of life. Not a single drop of liquid water on the surface. Meanwhile, a tiny moon of Saturn, practically ignored, waited its turn. Enceladus was never a priority. Too small, too cold. No chance of having anything interesting, they said, until Cassini flew by, out of scientific curiosity, not for the mission's main plan. And there it was, the greatest indication of habitability ever found outside Earth. The obvious path spent billions and found no water. The ignored path found an entire ocean. Revelation 1. The magnetic field that shouldn't exist. In 2000, scientist Margaret Kyvelson from UCLA analyzed data from the Galileo probe and found a pattern only possible with a salty ocean beneath the ice. It's the equivalent of detecting a hidden lake just by observing the echo of a compass. Revelation 2. Flying right through the alien ocean. Cassini didn't just photograph Enceladus's plumes, it flew through them at 30,000 kilometers per hour. It was like tasting the water of an ocean we've never seen without ever landing in it. Revelation 3. Phosphorus, the missing ingredient. In 2023, Frank Postberg's team found phosphate inside the ice grains ejected by Enceladus. The concentration was 100 times greater than in Earth's oceans, maybe 1,000. Revelation 4. Carbon, coming from deep within. According to scientists Samantha Trumbo and Geronimo Villanueva, the carbon came from the ocean, not from meteors. Revelation 5. The mission that is already on its way. In October 2024, the Europa Clipper launched from Florida, the largest spacecraft NASA has ever built for a planetary mission. It will make 49 low-altitude flybys over Europa. Expected arrival 2030. And Europa is not alone. The European probe JUICE is already en route to the same system. Perhaps life doesn't need the sun. Perhaps it only needs 3 things: water, heat, and time. And these 3 things, NASA has already confirmed they exist, right beneath the ice of 2 frozen moons. We no longer need to ask if there is water out there. We already know there is. The question that remains is the simplest and most terrifying of all. What else is in there? In 2030, the Europa Clipper will start answering that question. And when that happens, you will know about it, right here, first. The truth about our solar system is being rewritten at this exact moment, and we will be here to document every new revelation. Subscribe to Space Frontier, and never stop questioning what hides in the dark.